Guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Abby. For those of you new to my channel and for those of you returning back to my channel, thank you so much. In today's video I'll be making goat meat jollof rice. I mean, it's the same cooking process when you're making the normal regular jollof rice. I just decided to add goat meat to it, and the type of goat meat I bought is not, you know, they have two types when you go to the market. They have the one that, okay, after killing the roast then they sell. Yeah, so this one does not take a longer time when boiling. Like, it doesn't take a long time at all to cook. But they have the one they just kill and they sell like that. I don't like those ones. I like the one they roast. I like the aroma from it. Trust me, it's very nice. So I decided to add goat meat to my jollof rice because of that smell, and this was my first time making it. Trust me, my family loved it. You guys can try it and I promise you're going to love it as well. If you decide to recreate this meal, please tag me on Instagram. I'll leave my information in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. Tag me and I'll repost it on my page. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be showing you the cooking process as usual. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below and share my video as well. Let's get right into the video. Bye. So what you have to do is place your goat meat into the pot, add all the seasonings you like. I use beef seasoning, thyme, curry, ginger paste, garlic and salt. Then I added this smoke liquid. I'll make a video all about this smoke liquid, what it does, why I like using it, and I added onions into it. So I just stirred it before adding water into it. And when you stir it first and just cover, just allow the water from the meat to cook the meat a little bit. The seasoning is going to be much better than if you just pour water right away. Anyway, so after I covered it for a little while, allowed the water to come out from the meat and cook it a little bit, just allow it to be brown a little bit. I added my water and I covered it to soften it. So after that I decided to blend my pepper, onions and tomato. And when you're blending this, make sure you blend it to the point that it doesn't become smooth. Like, this is the way I like to blend my own pepper for when I'm making jollof rice. So in the same pot I used in boiling the meat, I just poured in oil. Then I added my goat meat that you saw me boiling earlier. So I fried it. After frying, I added onions into the oil, the same oil. Like, when you use the same oil you use in frying the goat meat to cook, like the rice, the food tastes much better. So I just added onions. I fried that a little bit, then added my tomato paste. And please, when you're frying your tomato paste, make sure you fry it properly. Like, when you want to know that you fried your tomato paste enough is when the oil turns red. Then I added in my curry and my thyme into it. Sometimes I like to fry these as well. Like, I don't know, I see some people do it. They said it makes the flavor from the curry and thyme pop more. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Anyway, so I just poured in the pepper you saw me blending earlier, and I gave it a quick stir. You just allow the water in it to dry, and this is what it looks like when it's dried. Like, everything, when you want to know if you fried the pepper enough is when you see that, okay, it's looking like it's separating, like it's not looking too thick. It's like, when you see it's this way, you know you fried it enough. So I added that liquid smoke again, and again I'm going to make a separate video all about this liquid smoke. Trust me, you're going to like it. Anyways, I added a little bit of the liquid smoke into it, gave it a quick stir, then poured in my basmati rice. I washed it, I rinsed it, then poured in my basmati rice, just fried it a little bit. Like, sometimes I always put in the stock first before putting my rice. It just depends on my mood. So I poured in my basmati rice, just allowed it to fry a little bit. Then I poured in my beef stock. That's the goat meat I boiled at the beginning of the video. And please, before you add in more seasoning at this point, make sure you've added your stock and you've tasted it to be sure that okay, you need more, you don't need more. Put in your stock first before adding more seasoning. So I tasted it, the salt, I needed a little bit of salt and beef seasoning, so I added that to it, gave it another stir and added a little bit of water into it. So a quick tip for when you're cooking any rice dish, maybe jollof rice, fried rice, make sure you measure your rice and your water. So if I'm cooking 1 cup of rice, I use 1 cup of water. So that's what I did. I think I cooked like 2 cups of rice and I used 1 cup of the beef stock, 1 cup of water. So I just covered it, used the foil paper to cover it, and when you use the foil paper to cover it, the heat from the food is going to cook the rice instead of you adding more water, and the rice becomes mashed. So just allow the foil to cook it, and that's it. Simple, straightforward, delicious. Please try it. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.